What's up, Flaming Sword Nation? We are doing a Cooking with Jackson and Dad, the cameraman or something. So we have everything we need. Now let's start cooking. Okay, and then we just need the whisk. Then stir. And I'd like to add pepper. I like to add pepper in it, so we can. Okay, then just stir it up again. And then, okay, now we have to cut the bacon. And remember, always have a parent if you're young and you have a knife. Always have a parent supervising. Okay, so we're gonna cut in the middle. Just like that. Bow, it's gone. Okay, now we're gonna cut this into smaller pieces again. So, just
push down on it. Check. This is why you should always have a parent or adult nearby.
because you don't want to cut yourself. Okay, now we're gonna separate them so we can put it on the pan. So, okay, one down, well, actually two down, a lot more to go. And done. Okay, now we can bring this over. Okay, now we're supposed to put the bacon on to the frying pan, but always make it medium and do this so it feels like it's the right temperature. Okay, now just lay them one by one. Yeah, it makes a giant noise when you start putting them on. But do it quick so it doesn't so you don't get burned.
That's good for right now.
Okay, so we're gonna keep this on here, and then when this is done, we can put the rest on. And we obviously put it on the plate. Okay, so when this is done, obviously we put this on there.
Put what on where?
This bacon on this plate with paper towel on it so it doesn't get stained. And then when that's done, we can put these on top. And I think, oh wait, I need to wash my hands. Okay, I washed my hands, so now you can flip them over. Okay. Now we just wait until this is done, and then we can put it on the plate. And always like push it down so it fully gets cooked. Or okay, now we can put these on the plate. Okay, now we're done with the first part. Okay, now I'm gonna put this over here. Now we need this. Get this, and I spread this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then just spread it, because the bacon can also help with the eggs, oil, and stuff. Okay.
No.
And we can put this right over here. Then we need this, the eggs.
Good.
Okay. Now we can just pour this around the plate, all around it. Okay. Now I'll put this to the side. Then get your spatula. And then then just do this a bunch of times. And if you're lucky, you might get it on the first try. Like this. Okay. Can I
Are you
please have,
scrambling? Scramble it. Would you say, can you please have what?
can I please have a plate? You just cut it up. Like that. To scramble it up. Okay,
Which one go?
now I can just transfer it to the other plate. Okay. Okay, and that's how you make the breakfast with bacon, eggs, and yeah, and you can choose your own drink. Ta-da!
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.